Alright, girlfriends and boyfriends, future friends and family friends. Guys, hear this. Our deal is going really nice. And here, the spring has come exactly here right now. First week or second week of September. Look. But how's the weather your way, guys? Ours is so raining and soaking. Look, we moved it already. We thought it's spring. No, it's a lot of rain even. My moringa, I will remove this in the rain because they hate too much wet. This one is still doing really well. This lettuce is about to get bolted too, I think. Yeah, to create more seeds. That's what you call bolting. And the tomato is really doing well. The avocado is here and creating more leaves. The blueberries, oh yeah, they're doing really well in the ground, and even more fruits. Look, this kind of blueberry floating towards spring, late spring, and summer, bearing fruits. That's how it is. The other one, it's for the winter blueberry. See that? Wow. She looks really a lot of getting more fruits now, but I lost a lot of leaves because of winter and probably adjusting here in the ground. So we try to remove the weed as much as we can, you know. Cheers, guys, and this is the weather here right now in Australia. What's your weathers in your area, guys? And this is our lemon. I didn't plant the lemonade because I have to find more lemonade for me, and sweet lemonade because we love them. And here is the mandarins. She's growing tall and got more baby left. Snake plant here, and my gumamila flower, pink double or hibiscus. See more here. It was here before. That's strange. Oh yeah, it started getting more weed now. This is my mammoth dill. Okay. I think I will harvest them because it's getting yellowing. So once I harvest them, I put them in anywhere, fish or anything that you put in it. They're really nice. Egg omelette or something. Here, my pijawa. This is a New Zealand fruit. This one, they're really nice and sweet. It's also here in Australia because Australia and New Zealand are the sisters country. My soybeans, I believe. Look, we grow some few, but the rest I show you guys. And more here and more there. This basil, types. So you can see the Thai basil is everywhere. Wow. Soon I will transfer this